live at the pool party, you know what I'm saying? Kool-Aid, you know what I'm saying? It ain't nothing, man. We just chilling in the zone. We live in this bitch, man.
That ass on my lap like a class C. She got that lollipop cause she said trick or treat. Landed strip pink monkey got me like whoa. She wrapped those lips around the stripping pole. VIP they was screaming like a Super Bowl. Back breaking like a backbone. Oh, you know she getting it on in UK. If she don't turn you on, if I get rocked up, you better clear the zone. Her head spinning and glowing like a Ferris wheel. When I say head, that means grill. After that, tell me how this feels. Say what? I'm so freaky, star of the Austin, who's gon' beat me? It's not about me, it's about you. Open up my eyes, panties falling off of you.
I'ma take away your life, I'ma take away your pain. Stay breaking the boys off, just fucking up the game. Talking down on my neighbor, young hustle about to do the damn thing. Getting brain from your girl while I'm in and out the turning lane. I didn't can to green the legs, sitting on some super focus. Hey, on my side I call that bitch my super soaker. So you best think twice before you try and do a focus. Cause it ain't hard to notice, your flow is so bogus. My flow is so platinum, wanna verse from your hustle, then you better have a couple grand. Cause I'm hotter than the candy drop. When your girl in the spot, she be wetter than a fucking mop. Before she even try to block or take off the top. Y'all niggas talking to me like they smoking on the rocks, thinking they gon' come to my hood, trying to take over my block.